My mom's wise words. Sometimes, my mom gives me advice. Save your money for a rainy day, she says. She also says, eat your vegetables to grow up strong. I always make a funny face when she says that. One day, she said, you reap what you sow. I was confused and asked her what that meant. She explained, if you're good to people, they'll be good to you. If you do good things will happen. Then she added, but if you do bad things might come back to you. My mom has so many sayings. A penny saved is a penny earned, she says. I'm still trying to figure that one out. She tells me she has learned from her mistakes. I hope I don't make the same ones, but she knows everyone makes them. The important thing, she says, is to learn from them. Nobody's perfect. My mom tells my sister, time is precious. Don't waste it. My sister is always looking at her phone. My mom always tells me, be true to yourself. Don't just follow the crowd. Listen to your heart and do what you think is right.